Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. First off, let me say thank you to everybody who is watching and subscribing to the channel. This past week, I didn't have a chance to jump on. I was a little bit busy during the week with work. I didn't have a chance to jump on and do a video for a 5,000 subscriber thank you video. So this is it. Thanks so much to everybody for watching, for commenting, for liking, for disliking, asking questions on this channel. It has grown to just over 5,000 subscribers, and a lot of these are very recent subscribers. I know the Fuji community is pretty passionate, so thank you for joining. Thanks for watching all the videos, and a big thanks to all of the members that are members of the channel. We've got a few members on board now. I really appreciate you joining along. If you want more information on memberships, I will link it up above. You can check that out. By all means, you don't have to join, but it's always appreciated. So thanks so much. I am having a coffee here. This is in my coffee lens mug. I got this for my birthday from a good friend of mine. So hopefully she's watching and so you can see I'm enjoying my coffee out of my lens travel mug. But while we're on here, other than saying thank you for 5,000 subscribers, the sun is out and shining, it's warming up. It was a good day to get out. I really like getting outside on the weekends. I took these pictures I'm going to share. I'm filming this. It is a Sunday, and Sundays downtown Calgary are always very quiet. It's actually kind of nice it's almost, I don't want to say a ghost town, but it's almost like a ghost town. You'll walk through the streets of downtown, very, very quiet, not a lot of traffic, not a lot of people. It's kind of a little bit, especially because of everything that's happening. Obviously, that's why there's less people as well. But it's nice to kind of get around, and you can actually walk through. It's kind of a neat feeling. You're walking through downtown, and there is sometimes actually, and it's weird for a city, but like it gets very, very quiet. So it's kind of nice to take pictures, just kind of go for a walk around, see what you can snap. Street photography doesn't involve a lot of people with this type of style when it's so quiet, but it's nice to get out. The transit's running, people are kind of getting going early Sunday morning. So these are the pictures I took. These were all taken on my Fuji XT4 using the 35mm f2 lens. This is the one I kind of is my go-to all the time for when I'm out doing street photography. Hopefully you like these. They were all shot Fuji XT4, and today was using classic chrome. So the photos are all numbered. Let me know what one's your favorite. And thanks for watching, everybody. Here's to the next 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully you enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget down below in the comments, let me know what photo you did like the best. If there's one you didn't like, let me know why. I'm always trying to improve things. We have quite a few people on the channel that's giving some great constructive criticism. I really appreciate all of your comments on all my photos. Helps me out, hopefully helps out the community as well in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.